Greetings and salutations, everybody. Good news, we finished harvesting and planting. Bad news, we did not do those tasks unscathed. There's a reason why I have this part in my hand, and it has something to do with that over there. Last stage, you can see there's some pieces on the ground there. That cylinder's a little bit too big for that, so got to put some collars on it, bend that back out, maybe just get a new piece of steel, weld it back up. But that's not why I had to buy this part. This part was damaged on the tractor because I had the 3-point linkage arms just at the right spot to when I cut the corner a little too tight, collided in and destroyed it. That is going to bring me to the main point: how to do maintenance on your tractor yourself without contacting, calling, or visiting your dealer. Forgot we're going to need one of these. So there's our damage. As you can see, smacked right into it. Right, perfect height. I did come in here and wedge this out just so I could still use it. Still slide this in and out and get her to work. Now, I know some of you probably would just leave that as is and say, well, who flippin' cares? It still functions. Slap a little bit of paint on there and call her good. I'd like to keep her looking nice, you know? Alright, I'm gonna put you down here. How I ended up getting these parts, so I've done repairs before, and how I had to do the repairs was I had just gone to my dealer that I got the machine from and said, hey, I need these parts, and they went and they got me the parts. Great, but you have to go out of your way, go find them, and hope they pick the right thing. And I just assumed that I could not get the parts catalog from Kubota, or it was just for dealers or what have you, because it didn't come with the tractor and it wasn't on their website or easily found, or if it was on the website, it wasn't easily found by me, so just assumed I couldn't get it. Find out later here, I find Messick's actually has the parts catalog on their website, and to do it one better, they go ahead and put not only the parts catalog on there, but they go ahead and link once you find so you can go on their website, find your machine, find the parts diagram for your machine, look through the diagram, or find the part that you broke pretty easily that way. Oh, jeez. I get my right hand on this one. The other site I found that has something similar, though it's kind of failed me as far as the hyperlink portion, is Coleman. The reason I like having two is because that way, if one doesn't have a part and the other one has a part, I'm not waiting a week or at the mercy of any one specific supplier, which has been nice. With me using those two, I have not had an issue with getting things when I wanted them or when I needed them. And once more, I do not have to go to a dealership, talk to anybody on the phone, and I can just get all the parts I need shipped right to my door. I did not know that this was an option, so I'm not sure if anyone else really knew this was an option, so I figured, why not do a little video talking about it, because, hey, I'm here for you, is what it is. I'm here for you. I want to tell you my thoughts, and it is just so nice grabbing it online and getting the part that you need delivered right to you. I am also just very happy that this repair was not insane expensive. This repair just for the this piece here, this little basically piece of bent sheet metal was about 20 bucks. The pins, I'm obviously going to replace the what does Kubota call them? Split pins. There we go. Because you're supposed to, and I don't know, those don't look too good after you rip them out. But yeah, it's 20 bucks. But if you damage this little top head, it's over $300 if you do that. So, I mean, this thing looks fairly difficult to damage, but still, I'm just happy, I guess, in that regards. All right, there we have it. Oh yeah, beautiful. All my bags are blown away. That's my 2 cents. You don't need to talk to your dealer. So if you live in a remote area and you're looking to buy a Kubota or another tractor, just know, don't let dealer availability change your mind about getting a machine, or don't let it dictate whether or not you go with a certain brand or not, based purely on dealership access, because you don't need them. Like I said, I'll bet you there's more, but I use Messick's and Coleman equipment. So until next time, I'm the ill-informed human. Goodbye.